Hello friend, Namaskar. From today we are going to start a new chapter in operations research, that is transportation problem. In that case, let us first take a brief note of general form of transportation problem. This table with some columns and some rows is known as transportation table, that expresses the information about the transportation of, rather cost per unit of transportation of one unit from origin to the destination. In this column we have written the origin, that may be a factory or a supply point or a sales point, and destinations are demand points. The sign is I and J respectively. We have total n demand points and m supply points. The data within the table is C11, that is cost from origin 1 to destination 1 is expressed through the term C11, that is cost per unit. Transportation of one unit cost C11 rupees from origin 1 to destination 1. Similarly, from origin 1 to destination 2, the cost per unit will be C12. From destination 1 to, from origin 1 to destination n, the cost will be rupees C1n per unit, and so on. Against all the supply points, we have total available quantity as supply from each and every destination. From origin 1, we will have available A1 units. From origin 2, we will have available A2 units. Similarly, from origin M, we will have available AM units. Similarly, in the last row, there are statistics about the demand of each and every demand point or destination. For destination 1, the demand will be B1 units. From destination 2, the demand will be B2 units, and so on. For the destination, or rather from the destination N, the demand will be Bn units. And this part shows total supply and total demand must be equal. This is called balanced transportation problem. To get the solution of any transportation problem, we must have a balanced transportation problem. That means a transportation problem should have total supply equals to total demand. If the transportation is not having total supply equals to total demand, then it is known as unbalanced transportation problem. To solve any unbalanced transportation problem, first we have to convert it into balanced. But that point we will discuss later on. Now the interpretation, another interpretation of this internal part. These are X11, X12, X1n and so on. These are the units to be transported from particular origin to particular destination. X11 shows that we can transport X11 units from origin 1 to destination 1. If we get the solution of this transportation problem, we will have the values of these possible quantities. From origin 1 to destination 2, transportation of X12 units. From destination 1 to, from origin 1 to destination n, units transported will be X1 and so on. But our aim is to know the value of all these x's. We have many possible methods, and first we can use the linear programming method also, but that we will discuss later on. This is just the introduction of a transportation table. This transportation table shows a general form of transportation problem. That's all.